All right, lastly is example 4. It says a child's playground swing swings back and forth from a start position of 30 degrees from a horizontal. So I'm going to draw a horizontal here. My initial swing hits an angle of 30 degrees. And then back and forth from 30 degrees and then 150 degrees. So the other distance from my horizontal is going to be 150. Okay. So here's my swing. The piece of information we're missing in this question is the swing is 10 feet long. All right, so thinking about my swing, this is 10 feet. I want to find this horizontal distance from here to here. So technically what this has created is a triangle. If this is 150 degrees and this is 30, then technically this whole angle from just here to here would be 120. And then I'm going to cut this triangle in half to create two right angle triangles. And so what we're trying to find in this right angle triangle is this horizontal distance. The distance of the swing is 10, and then this angle up here, when I cut this in half, ends up to be 60 degrees. Okay, and so what we're going to use is just simple trig ratios to set this up. So if this is the angle I'm working with, this would be the opposite, and this would be the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse is our sine ratio. So I'm going to go sine of 60 is equal to x over 10. So in order to x, right, we'd simply cross multiply this, 10 times sine of 60. But the problem is, if you type sine of 60 into your calculator, you get a never-ending, non-repeating decimal. And so we don't want to use our calculator to solve this problem. What we need to do, because it says the exact horizontal distance, we need to go to our special triangles and find the exact value of sine of 60. Okay, so I'm going to leaf back a couple days. Here it is. Here is my special triangles. I'm going to look at my 60 degrees. I'm going to find the sine ratio of 60 degrees, which is opposite root 3 over the hypotenuse, which is 2. So sine of 60 is equivalent to root 3 over 2. So I am going to replace sine of 60 with an exact value of root 3 over 2 is equal to x over 10. Now to solve for x, I'm simply going to cross multiply 10 times 3, 2 times x. So this becomes 10 root 3 is equal to 2x. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get my answer. So 10 divided by 2 leaves me with 5 root 3. So the distance of this x value would be 5 root 3 feet, because that is the units of our swing. But I want to find the entire distance, so I need to double that length. So if I double this length, the horizontal length that the swing is moving over would be 10 root 3 feet.